Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to replace plain URL with a link using the JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that this is basically a string, okay, with the URL. Okay, so I want to make it converted with the link. Okay, I'm just replace the plain URL with the link, right? So here I'm just adding the link over here. Okay, so let's see how we are going to use it. So here you can see that replace text dot replace, whether it should contain http or https. So regular expression http or this matches any URL start with http or https and ends with a space or the end of the string, right? It starts with it and end with the string, right? It will check. Okay, and the G flag makes the regular expression global, so it matches all the URLs in the string. So it will just checking the URL. It get it. If it is get it, then it will add a href tag. Okay, it will add a href tag over to it, $1, and it will print that link, okay, in that anchor tag $1. Basically this is the tag that we are getting in, right? If I go and just copy and add this in our Chrome browser, let's have a look on that. Okay, so let me return this one. Okay, so here you can see that href tag. If I go and just click that, you can see that google.com will open over it, right? So if you want to replace a plain URL with the link using the JavaScript, you can follow this one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.